Okay, I'm now going to show you how to do a 3/4 cross stitch. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it in exactly the same way as we do a whole cross stitch, but it's going to, we need to make our own little hole in the middle of one of the squares. So if you can see, I'm just using the tip of my needle to come up right through the centre of that square. So I've created my own little hole in the middle, and then I'm going to go down in whichever direction you want your 3/4 cross stitch to fill. You can just create that 3/4 section. So you've created like almost like a quarter of a stitch there, and then you can do your final stitch in the same way as you did your whole cross stitch, like so. So you can see how it's created a different shape to the whole cross stitch that we did. So again, we're going to come up right through the middle of the square we're filling. Work out from the chart which direction your stitch is going to sit in. So I'm filling in this section here. So I'm going to go down through the hole in the fabric to create that little quarter of a stitch. And then we're going to place the stitch on top to make it into a 3/4 cross stitch. There we go. So that is how you do a 3/4 cross stitch.